The Items page is where you manage your laundry services, prices, and how they appear on the POS. Click Items under Catalog in the sidebar to open the Items table. Each row shows the price, stock, category, service tag, dry count, and POS card settings. Toggle Show on Cards so the Items icon shows on every order card in the POS order board. Useful for staff to scan what an order contains at a glance. Set the service tag to classify the item, then click Save Settings to apply your bulk changes. Drop-off indicator also auto-creates an order on the order board every time this item rings up. Dry count tracks how many dryer cycles each item uses, which feeds your LPG consumption reports. Click Add Item to create a new service from scratch. Fill in the name and price. Turn on Track Stock if you want per-store inventory counts. Click Categories to manage the groupings that show up as filter tabs on the POS register. Heads up! Adding, editing, or deleting items requires the Manage Items permission. Owners have it by default. Assign it to other roles in Roles and Permissions.